Try out these 4 brush cleaning methods to prevent germs and dirt in your brushes from transferring to your skin. What's up everyone? Welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jijani and today I'm going to show you guys the proper way to clean your brushes. Now having a clean brush is way more important than what most people actually think. Besides having bacteria, brushes can hold dirt, oil, and dead skin cells, and they can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Not good. Other than for your skin, clean makeup brushes actually help you apply makeup better because clean bristles will give you a smoother application, whereas dirty ones will leave you patchy and streaky. Also, when you take care of your makeup brush, they'll help you last longer, which means you get to save your money. And overall, cleaning your brushes is not that hard, and we'll show you how. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel to find more beauty videos like this. Alright, let's go check out how you can wash your brush. Just like our face cleansers, there are cleansers made specifically for the brushes, so just choose whichever one you want to try. First, pour the liquid into the container. Gently go back and forth and let the cleanser be absorbed thoroughly. Then grab a cleansing mat and brush through. After brushing them, dip the bristles into the water and rinse it. So you can use micellar water as your makeup brush cleanser. These gentle cleansers are great for your skin and they work perfectly for your brushes as well. I recommend this for smaller brushes. First, pour some micellar water into the bowl, just deep enough to wet the bristles. Dip the brushes and swirl them around. Then rinse the brush with water. Even olive oils can remove makeup from your brush. We use oils to remove makeup and it works just the same for the brushes. Pour the oil into the bowl. Dip the bristles in the oil and swirl them around. Then rinse the brush with water. Use cleansing foam or shampoo to remove any excess oils. Then rinse the brush with water. Wash your makeup brush with lots of bubbles. Try using cleansing foam. They're going to leave your makeup brush smelling nice and clean. Squeeze the cleansing foam onto the cleansing mat. Then dip only the bristles in water and gently move them around the bubbles. Repeat this until all the makeup is gone. Once the makeup is off, rinse the bristles with water and gently dry them off. Do make sure to reform the brush back to its original shape. I can't emphasize how important it is for you to clean your makeup brush, not just for your makeup, but for your skin. You need to take care of all the products and tools you're using, especially when they're touching your skin. An important tip here is when you are done washing your makeup brush, make sure you're drying them upside down so the water does not leak into the handle. That is going to help your makeup brush last a long time. Comment down below how you wash your makeup brushes and share your tips if you have some. That is it for me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!